Alright, this is my sixth and final capstone script. This one is about geoengineering in the society, and even though it's not a problem, it's a solution to a problem. So, geoengineering is methods used to limit the issues with climate change around the world. The problem with climate change is it impacts the international science and policy-making communities. Science and policymakers band together to test the measures of geoengineering to control the effects of climate change on the Earth. Geoengineering is a very important concept because of its abilities to reduce the effects of climate change on the society. Methods that are being adapted throughout the world are carbon dioxide removal and solar radiation management. These methods will help the global temperatures meet its goal and keep the planet from warming. Specifically, CO2 and albedo will be reduced, thus making reducing the cause of climate change. This will cause a great impact on light availability, acid rain, overall temperature, crop yields, population levels, and atmosphere circulation. If only a few nations took part in geoengineering, it would make a big difference on the amount of CO2 in the atmosphere and create an overall change in effects of climate change on our environment. By 2100, the global temperature will decrease largely all over the world. This will decrease the likelihood of unexpected consequences from affecting our environment and making our world a better place to live.